Viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video uh, I'm going to show you another solving another problem, which is float or int. So if we read the question, we can see that give a number and determine whether n is float number or integer number. So then if n is float number, then print float followed by the integer part followed by the byte decimal part separated by space. If n is integer number, then print int followed by the integer part separated by space. For more clarification, see the examples. So input online containing a number, output print the answer required above. So first example is input 234.0, output is int 234 sorry input 534.958, output float 534 space 0.958. So if we go to the note, so you can float or not, float or int. So then if you see that, first of all you have to input a float number. So then here I take a number 78500. So then if if the input is like that, it 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 has no number after the point, so then the output should be int space then the integer part of the number 785, and then I take another number which is 56.890. So if the input is something like that, the output should be float space first, and then first print the integer part of the number and then another space, and after that print the last part like 0.890 after pointer after the pointer number, something like the 08, and you can see you can say the float part of the number. So then if you ask me, so the question is how can we do this? First of all, we have to input a number which is in float, and then we have to convert it into integer. So you can ask me how can I convert it into integer. So there is a rule that if you want to convert a number into another data type, there is a method which is, first of all I took double five float a. So if we take float 567, and but there we get input from the user, so then float we reverse it, or convert it into integer. So how can we convert it integer? First of all, we take a variable which is b and its type is integer, because we convert a into integer. So you have to write int in first bracket, and then the variable which you want to convert, write the variable which you convert into integer. So I write a because I want to convert a into integer. So is the process how you can convert a number into a data type into another data type. So then what can you do? Then you have to, so first of all you have write a equation that if a minus there a minus, so you in b is the converting from of a, so then you have take you have to first of all a minus b, if a minus b is equal to 0, if a minus b is equal to 0, you have the input, the output should be int b. First of all you have to yeah, int, print int, and then a space, and then n plus in b. So and then last is if it's not it's, it's for if, and then it's for then else. In else your output should be float your output should be float space plus b, and then space a minus b, which is, you can see, if we take 567, so 567 567.78 minus the integer part of the number is 567 57.567, so then the answer is point 0.78. So if you write something like this, so you can get the same answer, or you can submit it into the code forces. So we go to co decoder. So then we there already has a class, scanner class, and so I create a file. Name should be hot can float int, and then create. So you can see a default. Yes, so first of all we will have to write public, and then we remove the statement card. So then first of all we write scanner class, scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So then we input a number which data type is float. Float a is equal to sc dot next float. Then we converted a into integer, so we write int b is equal to int a, and after all of this we write the base case, which is if a minus b is equal to 0, we paste the line which we cut and we remove hello decoder and then write int space plus b, and then we write else else can write float space and then plus b and then a space, and at the end you can write a minus b. Then we run the code. So there is a problem which is pattern binary system. So we use a here. Then we run the code, put a number like 234.0. You can see that 234, and after that we also run our program that 534.958. 534.958. So then we 534.958. So you can see that it's all about same according to our question. So then we copy code and go to the question and then go into the submit code. Submit code and then copy the code in here and after all this I press into submit. You can see this is accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.